In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change object color in Canva. This is a fantastic feature to know, especially if you're aiming to make your designs more vibrant or consistent with your branding. So let's get started and make your designs pop with great color choices. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once there, you may see a button that prompts you to continue. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Canva will ask you to sign in, and you can choose your Google account to do so. This is a quick and secure way to gain access to your projects. Once you've selected the appropriate account, click on Continue. Now that you're logged into Canva, it's time to dive into your project. On the main dashboard, locate the Project section and click on it. Here you will see the designs you've been working on. Select the particular design you want to edit by clicking on it just once. Doing this will open up your chosen design in the Canva editor, where you can start making adjustments. In your design, you might have various elements such as shapes, icons, or even text. To change the color of an object, you first need to click on that particular shape or icon in your design. Just a single click will select the object, and you'll notice some options appear in the toolbar at the top of the editor. One of these options is a small color box, which typically reflects the current color of the object you're working with. This box is either black, white, or a color that matches the object's existing color. To proceed, click on this color box. When you do so, a color palette will open up on the left side of your screen. On this palette, you'll find a wide range of colors to choose from. You can select a new color for your object by clicking on any of the colors displayed in the palette. Canva usually provides you with document colors, which are colors already used in your design. This is a helpful feature as it ensures your design remains cohesive and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, choosing a color that complements the overall look of your design is key to creating visually appealing graphics. Feel free to experiment with different hues and shades until you find the perfect match for your project. Once you're satisfied with your color selection, the change will automatically be applied to the object. That's all there is to it. Changing object colors in Canva is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your design work. So next time you're working on a project, don't hesitate to play around with colors and make your designs as striking as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.